Okay guys, today we are working on replacing the fan hub assembly on the second gen Dodge. It seems to have, bearing has gone out and has a lot of excessive play in it, so that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's get to it. Hopefully, I'd like to get the fan out without having to take the shroud off, but I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. And by the way, we've already loosened the initial fan. I guess it will come out of there with shroud on. Not easy, but it will come out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, that's not good. So now we need to take the pulley mount and everything off. One more. There's the pulley. And we dropped the ratchet. Luckily, I'm very glad it stayed out of the radiator. there you have it. The old one is off, and I think the bearing has seen better days. Alright everyone, we're back. We took a quick break and went outside and did some painting, because the new one, that was just a machine finish and would rust over quite quickly when any moisture hit it from the south that we're living in. But just kind of reverse order the way they came off. So thinking about putting the pulley on. Well, I wish it could, but then that bolt right there would be harder to get in. So now you guys can see it. I'm sorry, I forgot I had the light off. This job is slightly easier anyway, because although this is a four-wheel drive truck, it is lowered, reverse leveled in the rear, and no leveling kit up front, so it is considerably lower than a lot of them, and it comes in handy in this sense. In my opinion, looks a little better. Well, it's the 4 mounting bolts. Now we need the fan pulley again. Alright, now that we got those on loose, I think I'm going to go on and put the belt back on. That way I don't have to try to get it around the fan to the radiator again. And it'll help hold that pulley while I tighten up those little bolts. Alright, well, now we need our bar to be able to do the tensioner for the belt. I believe that's got it, looks like. Well, we can wrestle that fan back in here now. That's a lot better than it was. Now we just need to tighten up the fan and hopefully we should be good. Well, I think we got the fan all snugged up. It's reverse threads if you didn't know, so as the engine runs it will tighten up. And I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.